As the morning light softly fills the room, a beautiful cat gazes at her reflection. She's wearing a sweet little red and white dress. It's charming, yes, but she can't help feeling it's a bit too plain for her big dreams. Looking closer into the mirror, a gentle smile plays on her lips. She whispers to herself, "This dress is lovely, but I dream of something more, something truly special." With a spark of determination in her eyes, she makes a decision. Today is the day. She grabs her bag and steps out into the world, ready to find the dress that truly matches the magic she feels inside. Her journey leads her to a luxurious fashion boutique, a place sparkling with lights and mirrors. Elegant dresses glitter from every corner, and the air itself feels full of possibility. And then she sees it. Across the room, bathed in a soft glow, hangs a shimmering golden dress. It seems to call to her, and her heart skips a beat. This is it. This is the dream. Gently, she touches the delicate fabric. "This is the one," she says, her voice full of certainty. Without a second thought, she purchases the magnificent golden dress. But the transformation isn't complete just yet. Before leaving, she carefully selects the perfect accessories to complement her new gown, a set of matching golden jewelry that sparkles with every turn, a stylish golden purse that adds a touch of chic, and a pair of stunning golden heels that promise a confident stride. Everything shines together in perfect harmony. Back home, she stands before her mirror once more. The simple red and white dress comes off, making way for the new gown. As she slips into the shimmering golden fabric, she feels a change wash over her. The reflection staring back is a new her, radiant and bold. The dress sparkles with her every movement, filling her with a newfound sense of confidence and strength. Suddenly, bright lights flicker on, and soft, enchanting music begins to play. A runway appears before her, beckoning her forward. She takes a deep breath and steps onto the ramp. With unmatched grace and poise, she begins her walk. Her golden heels shine, her purse swings gently by her side, and the magnificent dress glows under the spotlight, capturing every eye. The air fills with the sound of applause. The crowd is mesmerized. She smiles, a proud, brilliant smile that lights up the entire room. She has done it. From a simple cat in a red and white dress to a dazzling vision in gold, she has followed her heart and become the star she was always meant to be. Thanks for watching our story unfold. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical moments.